Good morning! So we just got ready for breakfast and that's our first agenda to eat breakfast. Then for the rest of the day, may itinerary kami pero I forgot. I-update ko kayo guys, itinerary namin. Pero yun, kain muna tayo ng breakfast sa baba. Maaraw kanina guys, pero ngayon umambo ng konti. Medyo gloomy yung weather today. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Ayan, andun kanina yung sunrise eh. Tapos bigla na lang naging makulimlim. Hopefully, hindi naman maulan for today para kahit pa paano makapag-ikot-ikot pa rin tayo for today. So, this is just my outfit, guys, for breakfast. Very simple lang. Nag-sweater lang ako and shorts. And then sandals. OOTD! Hi guys! Update. So, tapos na kami kumain ng breakfast and sobrang busog. Sobrang sarap nung ano nila guys. Parang mini pan o chocolate. Yun yung favorite ko. So now guys, we're just roaming around dito sa may garden area. Tiningnan din namin kung anong meron dito sa parang activity center nila here. Yung may mga booth sila, may food stall sila, ganyan. Parang carnival-ish. And then, now, ikot ulit tayo sa John Hay. Tatry natin maghanap ng strawberry taho. So, yun lang ang ating agenda for now. Tapos, balik tayo later sa room para makapag-get ready na tayo for the day. Buti guys, umaraw na ulit. Kaninang mga 6, ano siya, parang umambon, tas makulimlim yung langit. So yun, right now we're just here sa garden. Tapos, si Max nagpipicture-picture lang sa film cam niya. Guys, may nahanap kami na taho. Tadan!
Mosit ba? Yes. Nice to open.
Hi guys! Right now, we're just getting ready. Kasi later, mag-picture-picture muna tayo around the area. And then, after that, we're gonna go out for lunch. I'm not sure guys, saan kami kakain, but we're gonna go out. I'm actually also thinking guys, if puntahan ko na din yung Uji Matcha kasi I really wanna try their matcha. and their hojicha. Hi guys! Update! It's already 12 and nagpicture-picture lang kami kanina. And now we're gonna go to Hill Station for lunch. First time ko din itry sa Hill Station, you guys. Marami siyang good reviews. Tingnan natin kung anong rating niya sa Google Reviews. Let's see. Restaurants. Oh, 4.4 stars siya sa Google. This is in Upper Session Road. So, doon tayo pupunta ngayon, guys. Ang popular ay Death by Chocolate Dessert, Baguio Longanisa, French Onion Soup. Pero parang gusto ko magpasta. Anyway, yun lang naman, guys, for the update for now. Bakit kaya sila pumapasok doon? Doon galing yung taxi. Stroganoff pasta, and then for my drink I'll have gin tonic.
Wow.
Joke lang.
Joke.
Ayoko ng gin tonic.
Okay, hindi mo gusto yung lasa.
Parang masarap ng fruit shake. This is really good. Wanna try it? That's some dilis. Kaya? Hi guys! It's already around 5 p.m. and we are back here sa hotel. Kanina galing kami sa Baguio Cathedral tsaka sa may Session Road. Namili na kami ng pasalubong. So here's what I got you guys. Saan ba magandang view? Wait. First, sa may Session Road lang to. From James Wright Cafe, bumili ako ng cream puff. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Ayan. Si Mami kasi mahilig siya sa cream puff, so bumili ako niyan. And then, since dumaan tayo sa church, mayroon na pala dong Good Shepherd Cafe. And, bumili lang ako ng ube flakes. Sabi daw kasi masarap to guys, so let's try it. And parang bagong product siya ng Good Shepherd. And we got 2 ube flakes. And then, I also got strawberry flakes. And then, I also got ultimate chocolate crinkles. Since si Ate Dars mahilig siya sa crinkles, dadaan ako dun sa French bakery. Bibili pa tayo ng pastries tomorrow. Tapos, baka later magpunta tayo sa night market sa my Session Road, I think. Ayun, that's that for the agenda. Mag-rest muna tayo since medyo nakapagod kanina. Mahirap pala guys minsan mag-abang ng taxi. Nag-taxi lang kasi kami the whole day. Hindi kami nagdala ng car since baka mahirapan kami sa parking. Ayun, okay naman guys. Medyo mura yung taxi nila here compared sa Manila. So, if you want to commute, okay naman yung taxi nila. Pero yun, minsan, mahirap mag-book ng Grab taxi at minsan mahirap mag-abang since madaming nagta-taxi talaga. Ayun lang guys. That's basically all. Ay, galing din pala kami kanina guys sa SM Baguio ulit. Hinanap ko yung Uji Matcha Cafe and I tried their hojicha. And masarap siya actually. Wala lang silang oat milk kanina, pero naka-default yung oat milk nila. Tapos, mura lang siya guys. Nasa 160 pesos yung hojicha latte nila, which is very, very sulit. Kasi, honestly, wala kang mabibili sa Manila na 160 pesos na matcha latte or hojicha latte. Hi guys! Umikot kami sa Carnival dito sa may hotel. And we also got ngayon lang ako nag-update guys kasi iniwan ko yung DJI sa room. Tinatamad na ako dalhin. So, I'm now using the Canon. And, we have Carmen's Best Coffee, Almond Fudge, tsaka Salted Caramel. Let's eat! Ayun guys, sobrang dami nilang stalls. I think before, hindi ganito kadami yung options. Ngayon, meron na silang puto bongbong, may bibingka, may hot chocolate, may mga souvenir store sila. Tapos dun may mga hot dogs, popcorn. Pero may s'mores pa din sila, you guys. Ayun lang, guys. That's it for the update. We will now enjoy our ice cream. Taste test daw, guys. Kahit natikman ko na talaga. Sarap! Ito, guys. Gusto ko to. Actually, acetok pasista.
I'm Peppa Pig.
Sabi niya, ayaw niya na daw ng toot na brand. Ito na gusto niya. Yun lang, guys. Taste test. Masarap po. 10 out of 10. Ayun.
Shoutout naman kay Carmen dyan.
Shoutout kay Maring Carmen's best.
Baka naman.
Okay naman.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hi guys! Update. So, galing kami kanina sa garden and now we're gonna have dinner. Kinuha ko lang yung DJI sa room kasi naiwan ko siya sa taas. Or iniwan ko siya sa taas kasi tinatamad ako dalhin. But we're having dinner dito na lang sa hotel and umakyat muna ako sa room. Also guys, kumuha rin ako ng power bank and charger kasi na-dead bat na yung phone ko. Hindi ko na-notice guys, 5% na lang pala ako kanina. Dinner time! Ha? No, my phone. Let's have dinner. It's already 9:33. Very late na guys. Ay, kanina guys, kumain kami ng ice cream. Super sarap ng salted caramel na flavor. Yay! Anyway, I ordered sinigang na bangus for dinner. Para medyo light lang. Let's see what's happening here sa social media world. Meron na tayo guys. 10,000 steps for today. Tingnan niyo naman yung usual steps ko. Color red and orange. Day 2 natin sa Baguio. Day 1, 11K. Day 2, 10K. The bread eater, cleaner niya, we have baby back. Salamat! We have baby back ribs. For me, sinigang-gang. Ay, bet yung guys. Hello guys, good morning. Right now we're just having breakfast. This is my first plate. Ta-da! And also they have mongo. And we have omelette, my favorite. Sarap yung mongo. In fairness. Naalala ka ni Kuya.
Kaya mo eh.
finished eating breakfast. And now, mag-ayos na ako ng gamit kasi check out na rin tayo mamayang 11 and it's already 9 a.m. So, ayun, mag-ayos na tayo ng gamit natin and then maliligo na and mag-ready na para umalis. Ayun, so sad. We have to go na, guys. Guys, muna tayo ng gamit. So, nag-stopover lang kami here sa French Bakery. Pampasalubong lang. Bumili ako ng pan o chocolate, croissant, and all that. Okay, now guys, punta tayo sa Chocolate Batirol para matry ni Max yung hot chocolate nila here sa Baguio. And then after that, pwede na tayo bumaba at bumalik sa Manila. Okay, so balik tayo sa John Hay, guys, to go to Chocolate Batirol. Ay, sana masarap. Sana di matunaw yung ano. Bumili kasi ako, guys, ng ube cheese cake tart. And sana hindi siya matunaw.
Ayun siya. Kung gusto mo.
Every time